If you're here to learn how to replace the lids, tanks and spirals on your compact Snowshock machine, then don't worry, you're in the right place. Remove the lid from the tank by lifting it from the top. Disassemble the tank by pulling out the pin and pushing down on the spring until the tap is released. Then, holding the front corners of the tank, lift it up until the base clears. Remove the tank by pulling it towards you. Remove the spiral in the same way. Lastly, remove the tank seals. If replacing the seals, ensure these are sufficiently lubricated. Now, replace the red tank seal. Lubricate the shaft and refit the watertight shaft seal. To replace the spiral, line it up with the shaft and push. Then, turn the spiral until you hear it click into place. To fit the tank, first ensure it is fully lubricated. Then, grip the machine from the rear and push the tank into place firmly. Lastly, do a quick visual check. There should be no kinks in the seal. Thanks for watching. For more of our how-to guides, visit snowshock.com/support.